This week for Toddler Tuesday, we are making some Rangoli patterns as some families will be celebrating Diwali this week. Rangoli patterns are usually made on the floor in people's houses with coloured sand around the time of the Diwali festival for people to celebrate. We're making ours with coloured rice and glitter, but you could also use things like lentils or small pieces of coloured paper to make your patterns. You can make your own coloured rice at home by adding a small pea-sized amount of paint to normal rice and stirring it in until all the paint is absorbed, like you've seen me do at the beginning of this video. This is a really nice activity for you and your children to get creative together, and for older children especially, it can be a really nice starting point for them to begin to learn about other cultures different to their own.